Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a JTIEO company brand 50 all-purpose paintbrush set. Now you can just see the set includes a mega amount of quality brushes and some plastic palettes for doing some oil or acrylic painting right here. This is included in the kit also. You have 6 palette knives. You have 2 brush painting brushes with wood on there, and 2 wooden handle larger brushes also. Now you can use all of these on acrylic, watercolor, any type of paint really. There's 40 nylon paint brushes. There's 2 bristle brushes right here and 2 sponge brushes, as I mentioned. They're all high quality bristles. All of these have very good quality bristles, very good control. I can pull on these really hard and you can see nothing comes out of here. They have these going in far enough and compressed, very high quality. You can clearly see all the different types of paintbrushes here. There's not repeating patterns, and you have from the tiniest paintbrush, you work your way up somewhere on slight angles like that right there. You're not going to go wrong. These are just really good quality. Now I'm going to show you a little trick that I do to verify whether something is not going to rust. So these are high quality. They're made out of nickel, and they're anti-split and anti-rust. So it's supposed to be a nickel ferrule. The ferrule is this pieces right there that you see right there. So they're also all solid wood, which is really nice, and they have a nice enamel on them to protect them. But what I'm going to show you is this is a very high powerful magnet I use as a calibration magnet. Now there's no attraction right here. It's not attracting at all. If I use this on something like a knife, you can see it tracks knife and pulls it in. That's because that knife has iron. Now if I go across these right here, the ferrules, there's absolutely no attraction whatsoever, just like I showed on this right here. And what that's telling me is that these are really nickel. And that's important because the last thing you want is rust forming on your brushes, so that you get iron oxide in your paint and then all of a sudden a white color becomes a red color. That's not what you want. And this kit also comes with a very nice holder, very durable, and it has a zipper on there to hold all your brushes, and a very nice little rope on there so that you can keep everything organized, so that you can keep all your brushes after they're dried right in here. And what's really nice about this is that this has a little breathability to it so that your brushes won't form mold. So this is very nice, it's included. So I wanted to show you a close-up of the quality of these brushes. So I have them in that little holder right here, and this is one of the sample of each of the colors. It's just really nice. It has the name brand on there in gold, as you could see, and you could see the gloss of the finish. So these are nicely polished and enameled and just beautiful quality. The bristles, you can hear them, nice and firm, all pre-shaped. You have all the different shapes that you're going to need, and again, this is these nickel pieces on there that hold it in place, and they're totally rust resistant. Just beautiful craftsmanship on this. You're going to love these brushes. So this is an excellent value. I mean, this is like a lifetime of brushes for somebody that paints often. So it's just really good value. I really like it. I think you're going to like it also. So I'm going to give this set a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope this video helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.